यहाँ पे एक इंट्रोडक्शन दिया हुआ है कि किस बारे में वेबक्वेस्ट है. So this is about communicable disease. If you have heard earlier, it's great. If not, it's a good opportunity for you to learn.
বাংলা আমি
বাংলায় বলো, বাংলায় অসুবিধা নেই, বাংলায় বলো।
করোনা ভাইরাসটা চীনের ওহান শহরের ওহান প্রদেশে প্রথম দেখা গেছিল এই করোনা ভাইরাসের এখনো টিকা আবিষ্কার, তাই জন্য আমাদের দরকার বাড়িতে থাকাই।
Flu is a communicable disease and other name is flu is therapy, and flu is transmitted through coughing, sneezing, and the symptoms of flu is headache, joint pain, tired, and problem in breathing. These are the symptoms.
I chose Ebola. It is a rare, but it can be dangerous if it is not treated and ignored. It was first appeared in North Sweden in 1976. It got its name because the third outbreak of Ebola was near the river Ebola.
So basically my question is, in our survey, like we researched about many communicable diseases, we got to know that many of the mode of transport of many communicable diseases is same as COVID-19. Like they can be spread through air, through breath. They are very common, like, and some of their two don't have any vaccine yet for being cured. But what's so dangerous about COVID-19? Because none of the other diseases has ever caused such a terrified environment, not only in India but all over the world.
एक तो मतलब I really want to appreciate the questions which are coming up. It doesn't seem I'm facing some school children. Really very impressed. The teachers and the students must be really working extremely hard, and then again this further transmissions to the next person, so it's spreading extremely fast without being able to control it. So that is the main fear,
And these viruses stay means in an active form for a long time in the surfaces Madam was talking about, like door handles, bus handles, car handles, okay, wherever the people touches many a times, like switches. So they stay a longer time in that, and so it's easily being spreading.
I just wanted to know the difference between the two types of tuberculosis.
Okay, and there is another question, like diagnosis process के बारे में भी आपको जानना है कि कैसे जानते हैं.
Have you heard of artificial intelligence, children?
Yeah.
Intelligence is able to study the pattern in those chest x-rays, and after they study the pattern, they are able to forecast or predict that okay, based on this pattern, these people will have TB.
So you can enter the game pin and start. इनमें से कौन सबसे अलग है? ऑप्शन ए ट्यूबरकुलोसिस, ऑप्शन बी कोरोना वायरस, ऑप्शन सी फ्लू, ऑप्शन डी कोई भी एक दूसरे से अलग नहीं है. None of these. Okay, so 19 people have given tuberculosis as their choice, and 10 people have said none of these. 5 people said coronavirus, 7 said flu. Tuberculosis round का podium ये रहा. अंजलि चौहान on that position. SD. ये मनोज. Good. Runner up. मेरा नाम runner up. Okay, so congratulations to all.
कुछ नया सीखने को मिला आपको? कुछ चीज जो पहले आप जानते नहीं थे उसके बारे में कुछ बताएंगे आप?
In day one, the sir has given us a brief introduction about what to do in this session. Then sir has divided our session into 3 days. Okay, so here it is our last day. So first day he told us that how this session will be helpful to us and how he will create this such a beautiful session, and I thank sir to create such a beautiful session to all of us. And then at second day, at first day he told us to create a quiz related to communicable diseases. Whatever he said that select a communicable diseases and then make a quiz over that diseases, and whatever your ideas or questions that arises in our mind, you can share with our experts on the second day. So on second day we shared such questions and whatever we have doubt related to that communicable disease or etc etc. So many students encourage a lot of questions to the experts, and experts, they are also very beautifully and very immediately give the answers very accurately, and we are also such helpful to meet such a great experts in our session.
मैंने ट्यूबरकुलोसिस चूज किया था, तो मैंने ट्यूबरकुलोसिस के ऊपर रिसर्च किया कि ये क्या है, इसकी हिस्ट्री में ये कैसे फैला था और इसके स्टैटिस्टिक्स को देखा हर साल भारत में जो होता है। तो और भी बहुत सारे टर्म्स मैंने नए जाने, जैसे रेफेडिन इसको एंटीबायोटिक है जो इसको रोकने में हेल्पफुल है। तो ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें इन्फॉर्मेशन मुझे मिली। हम लोग फ़ोन यूज़ भी करते हैं तो गेम खेलते हैं या कुछ और करते हैं, बट ये सेशन हम लोग फ़ोन यूज़ किए तो कुछ अच्छी चीज़ के लिए किए।
Which will have done the research. I want to urge you all to keep that going, continuously, especially in this time when you all are not, able to go to school. Please use this time to do this kind of research. I congratulate all of you, and I hope you learn much, much more once you start interacting with us.
So a big congratulations to all teachers and students. You have really surprised us, a very, very pleasant surprise. And I was just trying to type that each time we are surprised and we have new horizons that we are looking forward to reach. And this is all because of the teachers' enthusiasm and the wonderful, wonderful students.
I would like to convey this message. So they should think about their health and nutrition and food and the rest, all those things.